Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes with Form 1120S on TurboTax. So, of course, head over to Intuit TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, we're just going to click any button from our screen. Then, next in the left panel, click on Federal, then Wages and Income. And from here, just look for Schedule K1, then click on Add or Edit button. And from here, you should be able to see the Form 1120S for S corporations. And from here, you should have an option to start or update. Then just click on the button. Start by entering all the necessary details and information about the corporation, the name, address, city, state, and zip code. Then once done, just click on continue. And from here, you will be prompted to enter your S Corp identification number. Then just proceed by clicking on continue. Next, you will be asked to enter percentage of ownership from box G. Just enter in the percentage of stock ownership here. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Just check any information that apply. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Next, just choose type of activity. Then proceed by clicking on continue once again. And also check boxes that have an amount or are checked on the form. Then just proceed once again. Of course, enter the amounts from the specific boxes. Then proceed and do the same process. Then proceed. And of course, check if any of the following situations apply to your investment. Then just proceed. And from here, you should be able to see the summary for your S Corporation K1. You have an option to add, edit, or delete a Schedule K1. Then once done, just head over and click on the Done button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!